on your back.
What you taking me to
Put
jail
your hands
for?
on your back. Don't even
I ain't
bother.
going nowhere.
Get off the bike. Get off the bike.
I ain't going nowhere.
Get off the bike. Put your hands behind your back.
What you taking me to jail for?
Abuse of 911.
Abuse of 911. What?
Yes, sir.
For what?
Because you're calling 911 multiple times, and I have no reason for 911. So now you are under arrest.
I'm gonna figure this out.
No problem, sir.
I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out.
Call 911 100 times.
I didn't call 911 100 times. Y'all go hurry up, man. I'm trying to get out of this center. Man, y'all hurry up, man, please. Cause I ain't got nothing on me. I ain't doing nothing, sir. I ain't doing. Sir, you hurting me, sir. Sir, you hurting me.
Relax.
Sir, he's hurting me, bro. He hurting me. Please, could you please get off me, sir? Could you please, sir? You hurting me, sir.
Hey, relax.
You hurting my arm, sir. Y'all taking me to jail for me calling to check on my daughter, bro?
No, for misusing
Man, no, man, you hurting my arm, sir.
Right.
You hurting my arm, man.
Stop, man.
Come on, bro. You hurting my arm, bro. Please help. 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 Help.
Will you stop?
I'm being kidnapped. Help. Man, y'all kidnapping me, bro. What the fuck is y'all doing, bro? Why is y'all taking me to jail, bro? I'm being kidnapped, bro. I got sweat all in my eyes, bro. I'm being kidnapped, bro. I can't fucking see. You, why is you twisting my arm? You hurting me, man. You flipping the fucking cuffs and you hurting my fucking hands, bro. You hurting my hands. This dude steady being rough on me, bro. Get off my private, sir. That's my dick. Get off my private. You hurting me.
Lean back off.
You hurting me. Y'all hurting me, bro. 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 Man, y'all hurting me, sir. Y'all hurting me.
No problem.
Y'all hurting me, bro. Hurt me. And you hurt me. And you hurting me. I'm letting you know you hurting me. And you hurting me. And you hurting me. And you hurting me.
Stop.
And you hurting me.
Stop.
And you hurting me. 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 You hurting me.
Go to the ground or we're going to put you on
Y'all
the
are
ground.
hurting me. How the fuck I'm supposed to go on the ground? Cracker, he holding me. Lame ass cracker. Lame ass cracker. Y'all hurting me, bro. I hope y'all got this on video, cause I'm gonna tell the judge to pull up all this, bro. Y'all hurting me.
Video.
I know. Y'all taking me to jail for bullshit, bro.
You're just going to get more charges if you don't comply.
Bro, y'all tripping, bro. Help! 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 They doing illegal shit, bro. They doing illegal shit, bro. These people ain't supposed to be taking me to jail, bro.
Stop.
And they kidnapping me. Help!
Eddie, stop.
Help! They kidnapping me. Help! Please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Please stop. Please stop.
Eddie, stop.
Please stop. Are you trying to suffocate me and shit, bro? You tripping?
No one's trying to suffocate you. Will you stop?
Please stop. Help. 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 Hey, y'all killing me, bro.
No one's killing
Bro,
you.
y'all killing me, bro. I swear to God, I'm filing charges on y'all, bro. I swear to God.